This is Biaka Legacy Estate that is located in the fastest growing corridors and axis here in the city of Buea, southwest region of Cameroon, which is Bokwango. This property has proximity to infrastructural development like hotels, like schools, like health center, like the third road. It has social amenities like electricity and water. This property is titled, meaning that it has a land certificate. Meaning that if you have just 10 million francs CFA or 10.5 million francs CFA, you are going to be owning a 1,200 square meters plot of land here at Biaka Legacy Estate. So if you are interested in taking up this amazing opportunity, this amazing offer, site inspection is free for the first 10 clients who show up interest to lock down 2 plots and above here at Biaka Legacy Estate. Our numbers are on the screen. You know what to do. You can call us or send us a message on WhatsApp to book for a site inspection right now.